Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Most of us uses WhatsApp Messenger, but do we know everything about WhatsApp? In this video, we will be telling you about some unknown facts of WhatsApp. So let's get started. Victor and Jane Combe in 2009. Before that, Brian and Jane worked at Yahoo, and after resigning from Yahoo, they made this app called WhatsApp. When WhatsApp was made in 2009, then at first they went to the company Twitter if they wanted to buy their idea, but Twitter refused their idea and didn't took their offer. After that, they went to Facebook, but Facebook also did the same. And after that, what happened? We all know how WhatsApp became world's biggest online messaging platform. So after seeing this, Facebook came in itself and offered to buy WhatsApp at $19 billion, which is 1900 crores rupees. If Facebook would have bought WhatsApp back in 2009, they didn't have to pay this much at least. Social apps like Facebook Messenger, Instagram, Snapchat, these all apps store your private messages in a server all the time. That's why even if you uninstall and reinstall the app, the messages are still there. But not in the case of WhatsApp. The working model of WhatsApp is so secure that if your message is delivered to someone, then that message is automatically deleted from the server. So if you are changing your smartphone, it is highly recommended to take backup of your messages and store it in your phone. By the way, if you don't know how to backup your WhatsApp messages, I will show it in another video in details, or you can go to the link provided in the description. Do you know that till now WhatsApp has not spent a single dollar in marketing? That's why till now we have never seen any ads of WhatsApp. We all know WhatsApp is free, but in coming future we might see some pop-up ads in the WhatsApp status section. Do you know that there are currently 2 billion active daily users in WhatsApp? That's roughly 200 crores. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe the channel. Bye.